Hello everyone, welcome back at Literature Hub. In today's video, we will discuss some important MCQs from the play Look Back in Anger by John Osborne. So question 1 is that John Osborne was born in 1929, 1928 or 1930. So right answer is he was born in 1929. John Osborne has died in 1995, 1994 or 1993. So he has died in 1994. Who wrote the play Look Back in Anger? John Osborne, Tennessee Williams, Samuel Beckett. So right answer is John Osborne. Who were the main characters in the Look Back in Anger? Gary, Tom, Chris, Jimmy, Cliff, Allison and Helena, Stan, Henry, Kathy and Juliet. So right answer is Jimmy, Cliff, Allison and Helena. In what month does the play's first act take place? February, May or April? So right answer is April. In what kind of room do the photos live? An empty room, a storage room, an attic. So right answer is an attic. Which stuffed animal does not occupy the photo's residence? Doll, squirrel or frog? So right answer is frog. What is the best word to describe the furniture in the photo's residence? Leather, shabby or tidy? So right answer is shabby. How old is Jimmy photo? 25, 20 or 40? So right answer is that Jimmy photo is 25 years old. Which word does Osborne use to describe Cliff? Vivacious, active, lethargic. So right answer is lethargic. Which character is described as demanding other people's love? Allison, Helena, Jimmy or Cliff? So right answer is Cliff. In the first act, what domestic activity is Allison performing? Ironing, painting or washing dishes? So right answer is ironing. What are Cliff and Jimmy doing at the beginning of the play? Playing chess, reading papers, reading books or playing instrument? So right answer is reading papers. Why does Jimmy say he will never be fat? Options are he will waste away, he burns everything up or he exercises too much. So right answer is he burns everything up. Which section of the paper is Jimmy particularly discussed with? The front page, the travel section, the book review. So right answer is the book review. What activity does Allison suggest for them all to do on Sunday afternoon? Go to a movie, visit the park, go to a play. So right answer is go to a movie. Why does no one read the paper? According to Jimmy, the paper does not engage the people. They cannot read at a high level. They cannot rise from their ignorant slot. So right answer is they cannot rise from their ignorant slot. Which friend of Allison's might come over and visit in the first act? Options are Helena, Webster or none of them. So right answer is Webster. Jimmy believes that it is pretty dreary living in what age? The American age, the British age or the post-colonial age? So right answer is the American age. Which word means wanting in firmness of mind? Options are sycophantic, pusillanimous or phlegmatic. So right answer is pusillanimous. What kind of radio program does Jimmy want to listen to in the first act? Options are a fireside chat, a news report or a concert. So right answer is a concert. What secret does Allison confide to Cliff in the first act? Options are: she is pregnant, she is leaving Jimmy, she has lost all their money. So right answer is she is pregnant. This play, Look Back in Anger, considered as one of the first examples of kitchen sink drama. So thank you for watching video and subscribe to my channel for other required videos.